You've had all my information, everything that I've had. All I'm asking is a printout how it's come to 200.
Right. Wait,
right?
You're going to get an
yeah, and I want to see what I'm signing. Surely, if I'm signing something, I need to look at what I'm signing.
Right, if you just calm down.
I'm not even revved up. I just want to know what I'm signing.
Right, well, he ain't taking a picture, I can assure you.
Why not? What's scary about that? You've took all my information, I want some of yours.
I've got a picture of it anyway. The other one took as well.
That says the fee.
Yeah, we've read that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Read that.
Right.
So go on then. Can you explain it to me where it's coming from?
If it's on the invoice, £100 and £100 storage is fine. And just...
Right. If you listen, that is a DVLA.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
Yeah, okay.
The first 24 hours is £100.
Yeah.
It's been here since the first. Okay? So it's been here more than 24 hours, so it's £200. I've let you off a day's storage, so I don't know why you're quibbling.
No, I just want to know. I'm just like.
So.
Yeah.
Right, you are not getting. This is a police document. You start taking a photo.
I won't, honestly, I won't.
Go on then, phone them. I'd like to know. I would like you to phone them to see if I can have a look at that.
This is a police document.
Yeah.
This is just all the information that was given by the police, where the vehicle was, the vehicle registration, okay? The times and everything. And there is where you have to sign to say that you're collecting. There's no property because we don't go property. You have to sign there to say you're collecting the vehicle. If you don't sign, you don't get the vehicle. Whose vehicle is it?